high one. We gotta fly down from the road to the castle over there where I'm standing. Castle stand there. Flying down there. สวัสดีค่ะ Hi, welcome back. Sakuna here. We gotta fly down across the road and straight right down to the sea. The building you see in here, I think it's a farmhouse. This one here called the Knoll Bay. So the Knoll Castle is right in front of you, right hanging on there, the little island there. Welcome and thank you very much for watching, everyone. Knoll Castle, known as Caisteal Camus, it was built by Clan MacLeod in early 13th century. The ruin you see here was from 15th century. The Knoll Castle was a stronghold of Clan MacDonald. They captured it from Clan MacLeod in the 15th century. Well, Clan MacLeod earned it from 13th to 15th century before their medieval war rival Clan MacDonald took over, and they also remodeled in 1596 and had planned to make it to a royal residence, but it never happened for some reason. The castle was abandoned in 1689. Most stone from the castle was used for the building nearby. The castle was haunted by the Green Lady Goat or Grey Stick. The goat also associated with a fortune of the family who occupied the castle at the time. The goat also will appear happy if the good news to come. If there could be a sad news or bad news, she will weep and cry. The castle also haunted and had a gullard or goblin fairy spirit, which also occupied here. It said that it had a particular concern with caring for livestock, which is quite a good thing, right? And look at this beautiful castle and beautiful surrounding. I love the view of the sea. Open the door, open the window and look out to the sea. Day and night with beautiful moonlight and sunset or sunrise. How cool that is. Thank you very much for watching. Please enjoy all the rest of the video. ขอบคุณมากนะคะที่เข้ามารับชมจะแปลให้อ่านเป็นภาษาไทยค่ะขอบคุณมากค่ะสวัสดีค่ะ and enjoy love and hug to everyone much love to all Sakuna enjoy the video thank you